Hey guys, Pat here, and welcome back to Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle! We're here! Final Red Zone! We're gonna fight Cell Max today, chat. We're gonna fight Cell Max. I have set up a team using the new EZA character. Well, I mean, they're like a week old or something, but we have a team here. We're gonna be using both of the EZAs to get this done. And this is what we're going to be trying today. We're going to fight Cell Max, and hopefully we can beat him. We actually were able to no-item the Gammas. If you guys haven't checked it out, please go watch the previous video where we fought the Red Zone Gammas. Both videos, as a matter of fact, because, oh man, that first video. That was something else. But with that being said, we're fighting Cell Max. If you guys like the video and want to see more out of my channel, if this is your first time watching, then welcome to the channel. Then please leave a like and put a comment down saying what you want to see next on the channel as we head into Anniversary. Who's excited, chat? Who's excited? Alright, let's dive right in. I know I'm excited for Anniversary. I might not be speaking for everyone, but I know I am excited. And that's all that matters. Isn't that right, chat? Alright. We are running, I could have run, I didn't make a team for double Ultimate Gohan. We're using Future Gohan and Trunks because I like for us to be covered in well, I was gonna say I'd like for us to be covered in Protection. But we got both of our Gohans on the same turn. Let's go. Okay, luckily Cell Max is doing the AoE at the very end. So we're gonna do... how do we want to handle this? I guess we'll keep rotations like this. We'll grab the 10 orbs with you guys. And then Piccolo will get the... We'll just grab... Piccolo, his first turn has 70% damage reduction. I am going to... I'll get him the I'll get him the super attack because we need him to do damage. But for the reference, my Piccolo is 55%. I believe my Gohan is 69%. As for stuff I know about this fight, because it's been a few days since this fight came out, I do know that he does crit AoE supers. So, that is going to be pretty dangerous. I'm kind of concerned about AGL, Future Gohan, and Trunks, but yeah, do we just die here? I mean, Goku supered, so we're buffing the rotation. They dodged. And Piccolo got hit for 280. Of course, Goku didn't dodge. If Goku dodged, we would have lived there, by the way. Thank you, Goku. Okay, damn. Let's just hop right back in. I'm going to hop right back in, and hopefully we just get better starting rotations. Do we not have a better... Okay, we don't have a more duped Gohan friend, I guess so. Let's see, can we put the... Yeah, we'll put this one. I really should work on my support memories. Alright, there we go, perfect. We now have a support memory up, and we're gonna have the rotation that I originally wanted. Alright. Let's see, how do I want to tackle this? I think we'll do this. No, I'll have to do this, actually. I need... Well, because Gohan doesn't need to super. Yeah, Gohan doesn't need to super. He'll be fine. These guys need all the AGL key spheres they can, though. So we're gonna get 14 here. It's awesome. Support our rotations. I would have loved to get an 18P with Goku here, but that was just not possible. Okay, how much do we take from the AoE? Double digits? Okay, good. Vegeta and Trunks is a bit risky. We might just pop a Whis next turn. I don't know. Piccolo took 280 from the first hit. Gohan would nullify it. Vegeta and Trunks, would they just get one shot? Maybe. Without, because they wouldn't have any build-up is the problem. Once again, we... oh, I should have rotated off each future Gohan, because now we're going to have... Because we got one of our future Gohans on slot 7. So now we're going to be stuck with 2 future Gohans on this turn. That sucks, but I wanted to avoid having AGL, Future Gohan, and Trunks on the same turn for as much as possible. Are you gonna super in slot 2 again? Yep, he is. Okay, Goku, please dodge. Thank you. Okay, yeah, no, this is not gonna work with them. Definitely not. They took way too much damage. Let's see. I'll be right back. I'm gonna construct a team with Physical Ultimate Gohan, I think. And let's see, can we get a... Yes, there we go. Alright, let's run it back. Oh, Gohan did not... Wait. This Gohan is uneasy aid. Why? We'll be right back, chat. Alright, we're back in. Dude, this has been going horribly. We just wasted an attempt because I brought a friend who did not have their Gohan Easy Aid, despite it being rainbowed. God damn, bro. I mean, the friend system is fixed. My units are just not leveled up enough because I get extremely unlucky. Okay. Here... Damn, what do I want? I kind of want to get Piccolo his hits in while he has his damage reduction, but at the same time, I also want to do this. Piccolo will take 280 from the super. So, I mean, that's a livable amount. He'll get hit twice. We'll let him take the 2 hits. I want to keep AGL UI for that guaranteed dodge. And then Piccolo can grab these. Oh, actually, we'll let him take this one. There we go. Okay. Bit of a rough start so far. Okay, Gohan will do 25, 320. Oh my god. I mean, again, my Piccolo's 55%. He is Link level 10, but like, dude, 55% units in 2026 basically aren't characters. It sucks. It's such a shame. If only I was lucky, chat. If only. Okay, Piccolo's gonna get hit again. Gohan is gonna do his thing. If we make it to the following turn, we will be able to revive with Gohan, if we need to. Cell Max has a lot of health. I mean, I have no doubt that Beast, or Physical Ultimate Gohan, will just vaporize once we reach his incredibly strong active turn. Oh, he double supers. Thank you for the dodge. That might have just saved us. Never mind. Piccolo sucks. Oh my god. Piccolo's just not a character at 55%. He can't tank. He just can't. I think I'm just gonna have to go with, this. Yeah. Well, no, don't let me get Piccolo off here. He's not doing anything, bro. Such a useless character. What the hell? I can't do more for Piccolo, bro. I'm sorry. We'll bring AGL Gogeta to get Soul Punisher active turn, perhaps. Yeah. And if he is on our starting rotation, we're just gonna Whis. That's what we're gonna do. My attempts are starting to run thin. I'm just gonna not even, like, tempt the idea. We're just gonna pop Ghost Usher turn 1 right here, and we should be fine. Oh, that's right. I should probably turn off intros now. Because this has just been going. Like, we've just been coming in, dying, like, going into the stage, dying, like, damn. Alright, let me turn off animations. This is a good amount of ki for him. Let's grab it for Goku. Gohan's not stacking or doing much with that ki. So we'll save those orbs for that turn. And I'm going to do this, because next turn is a little bit deadly, and we'll do this. I know the 4s have, like, their big damage reduction and all, but, like, I also am running out of attempts. So, I'm just trying to win at this point. I'm done playing around. I should have put on the Fuse Fighter item. Damn, I forgot. Should have put on that item, that support memory. I mean, this is how it is for a free-to-play to try and do these events nowadays. You just have to say YOLO and do whatever you can to survive. Because at the end of the day, it is just unlucky rotations getting us killed here for the most part. Unlucky rotations and our friend system not friending. Despite the fact that it is fixed. It doesn't benefit me because I have all my units 55% and lower. Which sucks. Yeah, don't worry, guys. The friend system is fixed as long as you're a whale. As long as you're a whale, it's better. It's better for everyone, chat. Alright. The 4s should do a decent amount. Cell Maxers has a lot of HP. I mean, like, once we get to Father Son Gallican turns, which we should be able to melt a lot of HP. So, hopefully that's what we'll do. This next turn, I'm gonna float Vegeta. So that way he comes back on turn 5, we can immediately fuse into Gogeta. We can fuse into Gogeta, launch Father Son Gallican active, do all the crazy stuff. I'm not sure. This one might be a challenging one for us to try and even beat. I mean, I originally thought the Gammas were difficult. Gammas we got pretty close to. Their health bar wasn't an issue. My characters are just way too weak, I feel like. Oh, he can double super. Also, yeah, I'm pretty sure Goku took the first super, so we would have died there if it wasn't for the Whis. Thank you, Goku, once again. I should just put a dodge build. Hold on. What is my build on my? Oh no, this is a friend build. Now, he has 9 dodge, but still, what's my build? 9 dodge as well. I guess I can't say anything. We will grab this. Damn, I can't get 20 ki. Cell Max lowering my ki by 1 trillion, dude. I have to do this. And Vegeta, I guess you're just gonna have to grab these. Dude, all the ki we have, and we still can't reach 20 ki with the gods. That's so crazy. Vegeta should be fine from a super. He's not gonna take damage when he's guarding with damage reduction here. At least I'll be very surprised if he gets hurt. I mean, mine's not 55. My AGL Gogeta is 69%, I believe, so... I mean, like, he'll take damage, but, like, he won't be an absolute, you know, untankable dummy like a certain EZA character. I really wanted to do this with the new EZAs, but I just don't have... I didn't pull the new Gammas, obviously. Anniversary is literally in 2 days. So I didn't even want to do that. And you know, my my Gohan is 69% and my Piccolo is 55%, and I don't see... They're good easy A's, don't get me wrong, but like they're not worth summoning for right now, I would say. I would rather save my pulls for anniversary when we're gonna get, you know, monster 700. Chat, I don't think this is winnable for me. I don't think this is a winnable fight for me. We have like one more. That was with a Whis. With a Whis, Vegeta took that. Like, what am I supposed to do? What character on my account is supposed to, like, help me beat that? Just AoEs and then I die? Like, we just saw Vegeta with guard and 40% damage reduction takes 700k. AGL Gogeta could probably tank it, but his team is not good enough. Well. Okay, hold on. We could do... He needs, what, 2 GT Hero allies? 2. We could do this. This is probably... Because Gogeta will be able to tank it, I feel like. I have confidence. In Super Saiyan 4 can counter it, and then everyone else on the team should be fine. This is like my last betting option. If this doesn't work, then I'm probably not going to be able to beat this quite yet. This might have to be a wait till anniversary to beat this type stage. Alright. Last attempt, I think. It's either last attempt or the second to last attempt. Let's see. We have yet to make it past turn 2. And we got both Gokus in turn 1. What's amazing, bro. Okay, Ain't that fantastic. Okay. I'm gonna Whis this turn. I don't trust Goku to... I don't trust both of these Gokus, bro. They've failed me so many times. Also, we're getting close to our last couple attempts. I don't want to be failing now. Now, we do need Goku to get supers, so I am going to grab all these. Because we're going to be hinging a lot on Father Son Galica and active skill turns. If we can even make it that far. Also, yeah, Goku ate the super. Of course he did. I was right. Thank you, Goku. Both Gokus ate the super. Thank you, Goku. I love you. 80% dodge, by the way. 80%. 80% they both still ate the super. I'm so right. 80% and they both still just face tank the super, bro. Oh my god. Okay, Gohan, this not ultimate, future Gohan and Trunks, man. What an absolute carry of a unit on my account. I pulled them off of Dokkan Day tickets, by the way. This is the only, like, how do I put this? This is the only, thank you, he ate both supers, by the way. The friend Goku ate both supers. Each one would have automatically killed us, by the way. Pretty sure. But I was gonna say, Future Gohan has had the most impact, I would say, on my account out of, like, any other unit I would have maybe pulled this year. Because they're just so good, dude. They're just so good. Okay. Definitely we want to grab this. Now, we do have Whis this turn. I'm not in any fear of us dying. You guys are gonna have to take these. Yeah. Stats are good. We'll take those. Setting up orbs, setting up orbs. Drink some water. Alright, here's the deal, chat. If I am unable to win with any of the rest of my attempts that I have, I'm gonna have to save this stage for or during anniversary. Because I just can't beat it, you know? I don't have the characters. My characters are too weak. I need more dupes. This is a stage. This might be the first stage that I have to, like, put on the shelf and come back to, because my characters are just not strong enough. Just flat out. Besides this, absolute king on the team, bro. God, I wish I pulled more dupes of him! And he's gonna counter the super right here. Hey, so Max. Bonk. Oh my god! Yeah, dude, look at the damage we just did on that. God, he's such a good character. I need to pull more dupes of that guy. I might have to coin him. Because I'm not sure how much I'm going to be summoning on the Carnival banners. We'll have to see who's going to be the Carnival, who's going to be the Dokkan Fest. There have been some suggestions that we are going to be seeing stuff from... There's been leaks going on around that we're going to see stuff from Tournament of Power or even GT. I don't mind stuff being from TOP or GT just as long as we get Daima within the anniversary. Because I think Dokkan will, no matter what, they're gonna cook. Also another counter from Gogeta, by the way. Boom! There goes 4 of your health bars, little bro. God, he's so good, chat. What would I do without him? Honest to God, what would I do without him? Cry? Probably. Okay. Okay, this turn we have Revive. I am not going to item here. I can just let this ride. I'm just going to let this ride. If we die, then we will revive, and then we're going to have a strong Trunks turn. So Goku, you just really do what you can, man. Alright, perfect. He's at least able to super. 35. Ah! 24 mil. Triple super, you love to see that. If we end up not dying, then... I mean, we'll see. Okay, he did dodge. Gohan, he died. Okay, that's fine. Alright, we did end up reviving, so now we're gonna absolutely go sicko mode right here, chat. Watch this. We're gonna Father-Son Gallic Gun into Dragon Fist, and we're gonna probably... Should we fuse? I guess we should, yeah, we do need the damage. Yeah, let's just... Yeah, we'll fuse, and then... we'll go from there. Alright, let's do this. I have skip animations on. Okay, whatever. Let me turn it on. I keep forgetting. Okay, solid damage. Alright, let's do this. Kill him! Actually, let me fuse first. I am not Goku nor Vegeta. I am the one who will destroy you. Sick. Ooh, he's gonna... Okay, perfect. He's gonna super in slot 3? Oh, you absolute rat, dude. Okay, let's first launch these actors and then we'll decide. It's time to unleash my most devastating attack. As I pour all the animation budget. Ultra Big Bang! Kamehameha! Alright, and now... Yes! Dragon Fist! Boom! Holy damage. Okay, how do I want to play this? Would Vegeta even survive? He's at 2.3 mil, man. I kind of want to do this because there's a good chance that we can get a... Well, no. No, I shouldn't do that because Vegeta will get hit by that super, so I should try to avoid that. We're gonna heal with Gogeta here a little bit. Grab with these. Oh man, we can win. Do I want to use another item just to be sure? Who do we have on following? Int Super Saiyan 4. Do we think... I think we would kill next turn. I'm not even gonna risk it, dude. I'm sorry. I could have probably risked it. I don't know how trusty I am on Vegeta over there in slot 3 to eat this super. That's gonna be critting, by the way. We don't have very much health. If we were at full health, then like maybe I could be convinced. But we're not at full health, so I'm not even gonna attempt it. AGL Super Saiyan 4 and Int Future Gohan and Trunks once again carry us to another W. And people say this character's washed, by the way. I don't see it, personally. I do not see it. Granted, we're using items, but I mean, like, they're in the game. Oh no, guys, what are we gonna do? Not use items as a 55% free-to-play player? Yeah, you're not truth here. We do not gatekeep the use of items in the game that definitely allows you to use items. Alright, if this was a stage that didn't allow us to use items, then we might have been cooked. But, hey, a dub is a dub. And that's all that matters. Yeah, Vegeta should be more than to kill here, actually. Yeah, damn, we probably didn't even... I guess I underestimated how much damage we're gonna pump this turn as well, too. Holy... We didn't even get to the next turn. Yeah, this is GG's. Alright. I mean, hey, this run... I mean, we used items, but we still cleared. We still cleared, And with that, that brings us to the end of the Artificial Life Forms Red Zone chat. Let me know what you guys think of the Cellmax fight. Honestly, I know I used items, but if I'm gonna rank them in terms of difficulty for how each Red Zone was... how would I say? Do I think Bio Broly's harder than this one? Maybe. Just because, I mean, Cellmax can double super AoE crit. Bio Broly is scripted. Maybe Cellmax is a bit harder, because like we just saw, he was gonna double super Vegeta in the back there, and that was an AoE crit. So I guess maybe for me in like in terms of weakest to strongest, maybe I would do like Bio Broly, then Cellmax, then the Gammas. Gammas are definitely the hardest, dude. Those Gammas, whew, that was insane. My God. Let me know what you guys think about the Red Zone, though, and I will see you guys in 2 days for anniversary. Bye-bye!